What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the channel, watching the video. Today we are making strawberry cheesecake blondies. Yum. I'm telling you, it's really, really good. A blondie plus cheesecake and strawberries mixed in, what more do you need? It's delicious. You could certainly alter this and make blueberry cheesecake blondies, blackberry cheesecake blondies, because you use jam as your fruit. So easy, just put that on and switch it out. Anyway, guys, if you're not a subscriber, take a second, hit that subscribe button. Love to have you as a subscriber. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up at the end. If you make it, make sure you comment. Or if you have questions, comments, concerns, make sure you put that down below too. So I do try to put out a video a week. So if you'd like notifications of that, make sure you hit the notification button. Sometimes life throws us hardballs and I don't get to do that, but I do try to put out one a week. Other than that, guys, here comes the video for strawberry cheesecake blondies. Enjoy it, and we'll see you on the other side. First thing we want to do is cream together our butter and our sugars. So we have 1 cup of sugar and a 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar. And we're going to put in 2 sticks of softened butter. Okay, if I can get it out. There we go. Oh, Lord, that was more difficult than I thought. All right, we'll put our paddle attachment on, lock our bowl in, raise it up, let it start mixing. We want to just beat this until it's light and fluffy. Now you can actually see it has gotten fluffy. The color has lightened up a little bit, and the dough or the batter of what this part is, the butter and the sugar are kind of puffy and fluffier. We're gonna let it run for just a minute more. I do want to stop and scrape down the edges, because there's a little bit stuck to the outside, which is all right. It will get mixed up eventually. We'll still have to scrape it down later, but all right, to this, we're going to put in 2 eggs. That's 1. Let that mix. Second egg. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 1, 2. I'm going to stop right here and scrape it down again. At this part, you really have to scrape it down. Okay. Oh, sorry, guys. We're going to set that to the side. Now, in another bowl, we're going to put a sift right over the top of it. We want to put in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 1, 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We're going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And sift that. Just like that. Now we'll bring our mixer back out. I knew that was going to fall. our mixer back out. We want to put in our dry ingredients. And we're going to slowly turn that on to mix. And we want to mix this until they're combined. Let's give it another sec, just like that. Okay, we're going to drop that down. Take our mixer out. Our paddle out. Scrape it all off. This is being kind of difficult. In another bowl, we have 1/3 of a cup of sugar. We're going to put in a package of cream cheese. That's 8 ounces of soft cream cheese. I am having a lot of trouble opening packages today. Okay. We're going to add an egg to this. And we're going to put about a teaspoon, half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of lemon zest. Now we're going to whisk that together until it's smooth. You could definitely use a hand mixer if you want to. I don't feel like getting it out, so I'm not going to. All right, it's not perfectly smooth, but good enough. Set that to the side. 1/4 of a cup of strawberry jam. Now, if your strawberry jam has big chunks of strawberries, kind of strain those out. You want this jam part more than that. We're going to heat that in the microwave until it's liquid. Now, in our pan, this is a 9x9 pan, we want to put about 2/3 of our batter, of the Blondie part. We're going to say that is about 2/3. I'm going to use my offset spatula because we want to spread that on the bottom of the pan. Okay, so now we want to take and put dollops of this cream cheese mixture right on top, just like this. Put a little more right there, a little more right there. Okay. Right there. We'll take our jam and kind of pour this in between the spots. Mine didn't melt very much, but good enough. Put a little right there. Okay, the remaining Blondie mixture, we're going to take our fingers and just kind of take chunks of it and sprinkle it over the top of this. Let me use this actually. Now we're going to take our offset spatula and we're going to kind of smear this together a little bit. just to stir it up. We want to kind of smear that jelly around, that jam out and around. Okay. Make sure it goes to the edges. Okay. Now, this is going to go into the 350-degree oven for about 30 to 35 minutes until it's golden brown. Let's kind of give it a jiggle. Jiggle and let it settle. All right, into the oven. All right, guys, this is actually cooked for about 35 minutes. Look how nice that looks. It smells really good too. So we're going to let that cool. It's really hot. The jam is bubbling. So let that cool completely. We'll slice it and give it a try. All right, guys, taste time. Let's see. First of all, smell the cream cheese. You smell that brown sugar. Yum. Oh. You can really taste the cheesecake in it. And the brownie underneath, the blondie underneath, that's the way to go. But it's got just enough strawberry so you can taste the hint of strawberry. And you could certainly use blueberry jam, blackberry jam, whatever flavor you wanted to use. You could definitely serve it at room temperature. I like it cold. I love everything cold like that. Yum. Mark my word, you need to try that. That's really good. So anyway, that is going to be my strawberry cheesecake blondies. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're not subscribers, take a second, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you as watchers and subscribers. Give me a thumbs up if you got a chance, if you liked it. If you do make this, make sure you comment that down below. I'd love to know how it goes for you. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great week out there. Be safe, but number one, be nice to each other.